Hey guys, we're going to do a cold start on the 1952 Ford 8N. Before I start it, I always like to check the oil. And as I can see, it's in the operating range. As you can see, right below the G. This tractor does leak a little oil around the oil pan gasket on the other side. Next step, underneath, you need to turn the fuel on. You turn it counterclockwise to turn it on, and clockwise to close it. That's right underneath the gas tank. Next step, I always like to make sure it's in neutral. And just to show it's nice and cold. Been sitting all night. So I like to give it a little bit of gas. It's hard to tell. Usually there's a little arrow here so you can actually point. This is full throttle, this is low throttle. Turn the key to the on position. Now this is converted from 6 volt to 12 volt. That's the old 6 volt starter. That's the new one right here. Give it a little bit of choke. Yeah, let's give her a try here. There we go, it's in neutral. Turn it off. Turn it off just as easy as turning the key to the left. And the off position is in the middle. It's in neutral. And when I turn it off, I always close the fuel bowl. And that's turning it to the right, clockwise. And it's easy as that. So then I'll just take the key out and it's good to go. One nice thing. Sits all night and will start up like that every time. As you notice, I had to use the choke a little bit. You hear a little bit of noise and it's the fan belt's got to be tightened up. Anyways guys, thanks for watching.